What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassanator. I'm gonna do a bit of an unboxing on the water of this month's STB box. Well, today we have some nice stuff. I have been trying this bait. It's the 4.5 Shaky Squirrel Oxblood Red Metal Flake. Nice for drop shot. I've been trying that now here at Nigel Dam, but yeah, it's been tougher. I haven't managed to get anything. The next part in the box from Newbie, it's been brought in by BWG Blue Water Gear. Another awesome bait. Also, you could use this on a drop shot. The other one from Sensation, a jerk minnow, a little finesse small minnow, which is pretty cool. Then we've got a couple more drop shot sinkers, tungsten weight, and then we have a swim bait, a TPE mullet from Savage Gear. That's pretty cool. Segmented, so it should swim quite nice. It should have nice action in the water. And then final, some drop shot hooks. So these should be pretty cool. So the twist free ones, so they call it the swivel shot octopus from Gamagatsu. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to be trying some of these baits and see what can happen. But yeah, guys, don't forget to go and check Secret Tackle Box website. It will all be in the link below. And go pay them a visit, maybe even get yourself a box, either a monthly box or just a once-off, and give it a try. And still stands, if you guys buy your first box from STB, you will get a 20 Rand discount. So yeah, use Bassanator as a code, you get that 20 Rand discount. So go check them out, and yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have got a box and what you thought of it. Maybe even send me some pictures of some fishes you caught with STB stuff, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So yeah, that was a quick one, guys. I'm going to try and fish some of these, and if I get any fish, I will put it onto the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell at the bottom, and you'll be notified to all my videos. I think YouTube's lacking on that, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.